Okay, some of you did not encounter this error yet. You encounter this error. So in order to solve this, I can show you how to find the problem. This error message shows that you don't have this file. We can go here and search this file. 等一下，你们的错误讯息是什么？是这个吗？你们错误讯息是什么？ What is your error message? So your error message is missing this, right? Okay, so we can find libssl.so. We can go to packages.debian.org and find this file. Then it shows a lot of packages here, but you need to pick the right file you need to install. For example, this is for ARM64 platform. That is not our platform. Our platform is AMD64, okay? And you need to install libssl-dev. So please install libssl-dev. Please install this file. Okay, I already installed this file. So it shows that my file is already the newest version. That's why I didn't encounter the same error like you. So you can install libssl-dev, then you can run the same command. Then you may find you hit this error. Okay.